Here's a quick tutorial then on how to download the app version of travelsinmyvan.com onto your phone. So, first of all, we'll get here to any home screen on the site, and bottom right, 3 dots. You can see them down there. So what we're going to do is going to press those 3 dots and this appears. At the top share button, square with an arrow, press that. This will open. Press the 3 dots on the bottom right, more. Scroll down until you see add home screen. Press that. And that will give you that. You can change the name if you like, but best to leave it as that. Add, and it will go onto your home screen there like that. So then just press that on your home screen and it'll open. So then we'll go to find places to stay. We'll scroll down and we'll add a place. Let's put Castleton in the Peak District and we'll find 5 miles and search. And there are all the places you can stay in Castleton and around the Peak District within 5 miles of Castleton. So then next we'll go to things to do. We'll press that, scroll down, and we'll see the search bar. Let's try waterfalls in there. So we'll type in waterfalls, hit the search bar. Now this will come up with all the waterfalls that we have in our database. So you can see they're all over the country. And then we'll go let's try something else. So we'll put in now, let's try surfing first. So surfing, that's all your surf shops, all your surf places. Then we'll try trampoline. So this should come up with all the trampoline parks. So as you can see, they're all within 10 miles of your location. So then we'll get rid of trampolines. Let's try one more. Let's try swimming. So this will come up with all the different places you can go swimming. That's that. And it's as easy as that. So back to home, you'll go back to find places, saying things to do. And it's that simple. So any questions, just pop me a question in on the post and I'll answer it.